Magandang gabi po. Fast food series po tayo today. Nag-dinner po kami sa North Park sa may Shell, SLEX. Papakita ko po sa inyo kung ano po yung kinain ko doon. Of course, no rice pa rin po, no? Tinry ko po yung chicken po nila, yung fried chicken. And then I also tried yung, what do you call this, yung lechon Macau. I ate 3 pieces of siomai. Tapos sinabayan ko rin po nung 2 slices of lumpia Shanghai. So yung lumpia Shanghai, manipis naman po yung wrapper nila. So I think it's safe to eat. At saka 2 maliit na piraso lang po yung kinain ko. And then I also tried yung soup, Chinese soup. Pero I didn't eat the noodles. Hindi rin ako kumain nung parang siomai na kasama doon sa soup. No? So yung sabaw lang plus konting pechay bagyo, and then there's this parang litid po siya na kasama. So kinain ko po yung litid na kasama. Beef po siya. Ayun. So, nag-baseline po ako noon. Ang baseline sugar ko po was at 106. And then of course, alam naman po natin yan, naka-CGM po ako. So, tinrack ko po yung CGM. After an hour of eating, umakyat po yung blood sugar ko to 137. And then after 15 or 20 minutes, umakyat pa po siya, nag-157 pa po siya. Yun na po yung pinaka-peak, 157. And then on the second hour, bumaba na po siya, nag-133. And then after 5 more minutes, nag-128 na po siya. So, kung titingnan po natin yung threshold, no, palagi ko pong binabanggit yung threshold na 140 2 hours after a full meal. So, I consider this a full meal. Dinner nga po siya. So, yung 133, that's not it's a good number, actually. And then after a few minutes, nag-128 pa nga po siya. So, wala naman pong problema, no? For as long as you're not going to eat rice. Napakalaking tulong po talaga. So, yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.